Hi everyone, this is Jim Joyce with Mr. Takeout Bags. Recently, we put out a survey to a number of our customers soliciting feedback on what the temperature was in terms of how they were going to prepare for the upcoming holiday season. Obviously, we know that due to COVID-19, a lot of us are going to have to shift gears or pivot to come up with some creative ways to get our food products out to our customers. And we wanted to find out a little bit more of what you guys thought that was going to look like for the upcoming holiday season. Now, in front of me, I have a number of different products that I wanted to share with you that are related to what our customer feedback was. And hopefully some of the things that I show you today will provide you with some good ideas for yourself if you are trying to figure out how to best package your food, whether it be for catering or parties, etc. And one of the nicest things that we have is the ability to provide you all these different alternatives. And one of the first things that I wanted to start with, and was a very popular response, was individually packed cutlery. And if I hold this up, you can see that we have a variety of different qualities of the plastic cutlery. Some of them are packaged as a group with your fork, knife, and spoon and a napkin. You have your stainless steel, and some of it just black plastic. If you want to get the more realistic look, you can pick up one of those. We also have the individually wrapped cutlery, such as a knife or a spoon, and we got forks too, obviously. But these are to reassure that your end user is touching something that hasn't been contaminated in any type of way. Some of the other types of products that you might be scratching your head trying to figure out, how do I best package this stuff to get it out to a party if I'm catering, or even if it's just pickup and delivery, and there's different things that you're going to do throughout the holidays. Well, in front of me, I have a number of different ideas. And what I wanted to start off first with is some of our more typical and standard meal boxes. You've got your craft, and we've got a multiple variety of sizes for you to use. A lot of these have vent holes in them, as you can see, and the sizes range from something as small as this little craft container to something a lot larger. If you're more into a little bit of getting ready ahead of time before things are going to go out, maybe a few days in advance, we have our plastic sealed containers. These are both refrigeratable, they're microwavable, they're dishwasher safe. Some of the popular holiday colors obviously are green, and we also have it in red sizes as well, kind of just to follow the holiday themes. We have black as well. How about soups? Soups, vegetables, corn, any kind of liquid type thing. We have a lot of different style soup cups as well. These two particular examples have vented lids to release some of the steam, but we also have lids that are unvented as well to keep it in. And these are a really handy container for soups, gravies, vegetables, and again, a variety of different sizes. And typically these come with this design, or you can get plain white, or as I showed earlier, craft. Other options that you might have are these nice sealed tight deli containers. These containers can hold your coleslaws. They can also hold gravy and vegetables or whatever else you feel is appropriate to be put in these. And again, different sizes, also different shapes as well. These lids snap on really well, so you won't have any worries as far as leaking is concerned, or in transport or delivery, you won't have to worry about that. A lot of restaurants and food service places right now are utilizing the little souffle cups, maybe putting a little spot of salt and pepper in each of these. Obviously your ketchups, cheeses, and whatever else has been popular all along for these, but these are a nice solution to just a little dash of sugar, a little dash of salt, pepper, whatever is necessary to include in your delivery, if that's what you're going to do. So I just said delivery. There's a heightened awareness today with everything being safe when it's being delivered or even picked up. And we, as a lot of you hopefully already know, we have a variety of different tamper-evident packaging that's available to you on MrTakeOutBags.com. And I just wanted to share a few of those with you today. And again, a number of different sizes. Here could be a salad bowl or a vegetable bowl. And this one particularly isn't sealed, but if you look closely, that once it's sealed, there's a tear off tab. So if someone received this and this isn't on there, they'll know that it may have been tampered with. So here's a bowl. I have several other different sizes of deli tainers that, once you seal it, there's a tear off tab that allows your end user to tear off to get into that food or whatever else you have packaged in there. And again, a variety of different sizes that maybe this is for coleslaw or macaroni salad or whatever have you. So those are the plastic items. I also have a number of different paper packaging items or for smaller meals, especially for you caterers out there that maybe have to prepare individual meals. These are a great option too. And again, you're able to package this, and these are again tamper evident. So once it's closed, there's a seal on here, so they have to tear across the front to get in. And what's nice about these particular packages is they can open up a window and see what's inside without anything being touched or tampered with. And we have those in a number of different sizes, at least 3 different sizes from the small to the larger. Staying on the theme of the tamper evident or tamper proof packaging as far as delivery goes, many of you are already aware of our tamper proof sealed bag. Has a nice bottom gusset to makes the bag nice and wide. There's actually instructions on the bottom of this bag that explain how to package it right. And you can put all of your food packaging within the bag, and you can see that we have the adhesive tape on the inside of the plastic bag, so that once it's sealed, they're not going to be able to get their hands in there, whoever's delivering or picking it up. So only the end user should really be tearing open the bag once they receive it, and then they can get their food without any worries. This is the plastic option. I also have the paper bag shopper option as well, and you can see adhesive tape that's already fastened to the top of this bag. And once your food has all been packaged, you simply fold over the tape to seal this bag. There's still a little bit of room on the corners of the gussets to allow whatever's inside to breathe, especially if it's hot food products that you're delivering or someone is taking out from pickup. I also wanted to mention what's very popular are our labels for the tamper evident packaging. For those of you that follow us, we've come up with a number of different alternatives for you with the tamper evident stickers. We have green also, which I'm not showing here, but we have red that says that it's prepared following the CDC guidelines, a popular sticker. And as most of you know, that once you package that food, you can simply peel that off and maybe just put it right over the top of the package like that, and then you know that this says tamper evident on it. And now nobody's going to get in there. So if that's torn, your end user is going to know that something must have happened there. Some other items that I want to talk about is a larger soup bowl, but this can be utilized for any variety of uses. It's a very sturdy white 64-ounce soup bowl. You could actually put ice cream in here, cookies, popcorn. Even find it useful to put some gifts in. Get a label designed or decorate the outside. And we're not in a position to custom print these particular bowls or buckets, but use your imagination when it comes to the use of these things. They're nice and deep. They're a nice solid container. Any variety of uses. Mashed potatoes, stuffing, even turkey that's been pulled apart, ham slices. The list can go on. It's just your creativity is what will limit you to that. Some other items, as far as catering goes, obviously the good old catering tray. Here's just one example of a catering tray, but if you go off onto MrTakeOutBags.com, you'll find that we have a variety of different choices for you to select from there, as well as different sizes. This is just a meat and cheese tray or a cookie tray or a pastry tray. But we also have the catering box. This is a little bit bigger. Hopefully you're able to see that. But you can put 2 half trays in this particular box, and it comes within the sleeve, and you can pull it out and display your larger meal offering there if that's something that you're going to do from the catering side. Other suggestions that people had given us in our survey feedback were different types of packaging options for getting closer more to the Christmas holidays. Maybe is the shippers. And if you've visited the Mr. Takeout Bags website more recently, you can see that we have a lot of different corrugated shipper options for you that are available for you to choose from now in a variety of sizes. This particular set that I'm showing you now is a matte black corrugated shipper. It simply opens up, and you can put your wines, jams, jellies, or whatever type of gift packaging maybe that you want to put in there. Also have the same offering in a craft cardboard corrugated option as well. And I'm just showing you, a smaller size and a larger size. That doesn't necessarily mean that we don't have some other sizes bigger or in between these two as well. And I believe we also have 1 or 2 that have a pattern on them as well, a snowflake if I'm not mistaken. So I showed you the sealed to-go bags. Another option, we're Mr. Takeout Bags, right? So it's important that you have the right bags that you're going to put all of your delivery food or pickup food in, or as you're taking it to a catering event or whatnot. This is just one particular nice plastic bag that I had. It has nice strong handles on it. And if you can see inside, we have a little cardboard piece on the bottom, and it expands quite widely. Carries and supports quite a good bit of weight because a lot of the holiday meals and the catering has some weight to it. So this is a nice way to come in, a little bit classy black. Obviously, here at Mr. Takeout Bags, we have numerous options in terms of the bag choices that you have, whether they be just a plain bag for your uses, or even if you chose to custom print some bags. It'd be a little bit tough now as we're getting closer to the end of the year, but small quantities we may be able to do a one color inside. I've covered a lot of information here today, and I wanted to make sure that I gave you some great ideas, but most importantly, we're already into November, and it's critical that if you are in the catering business or in the takeout and delivery business and you need some additional containers, hopefully I've provided you with some great ideas here today on some uses. Make sure you do visit MrTakeOutBag.com and make sure that you get stocked up in time. We have a lot of inventory here that we're ready to ship out as soon as you place your order. Either log on to our website at MrTakeOutBags.com or feel free to give us a call, and one of our sales representatives or customer service team members will be happy to help you. Thanks again, and wishing all of you a safe and happy holiday season, and stay safe out there.